It's expanding good though. I have the turkey, I have a video of it. I'll show you. So I put the net over the top. I'm just gotta finish the shelter and put some roosting posts.
Throw a couple of fence posts on the roof.
Yeah. I have a whole area right next to it that I want to expand to. We'll do that next week. I use posts. And I'm definitely going to use the posts because I'm expanding the big now. 30 feet. So that would be perfect.
Yeah, plenty of wood.
Yeah. And I'm going to get the middle, you know, the middle barn, the open air one. I'm closing that in. So I need
Amazing
sides,
morning, master designers.
that wood. And posts, you know, for the
Follow my DEXTERAS.
because I put the farm doors on.
Tonight,
I'm
GOGACHOG.
gonna put all my machines. So, the tractor, the ride-on mower.
One of the best DEXTERAS I've ever met.
All right.
Why don't you just get
This guy,
metal,
well,
corrugated metal to put on.
he's what they call a cave thumb.
I guess I could do that on the sides.
Probably be cheaper than it would right now.
Yeah, definitely would. It's not a bad idea.
This caveman,
Plus fees to screw it into.
he's got a pure white heart. And he's smart enough to build the wheel. He even has his own art gallery. What a great guy. Anyhow, that's how I draw GOGACHOG.